Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's all about formulating face cream. Like basically in every formulation there's usually a theory, then afterwards a recipe, then it's translated into a practical and eventually a product with some certain efficacy, some certain claims. Like face cream is one thing that a lot of people expect too much from it. And is it wrong? No, it's not at all. Like the face is like the most exposed part of the body. And it is on the face that a lot of stories are being told. Yes, the reason why I said a lot of stories, a lot of history are being made, and it's showing on the face that has been made actually, meaning that is where aging begins to show. Wrinkles and fine lines, we're talking more of wrinkles and fine lines on the face, around the eyes. When we talk of face cream, I'm talking of even the under eye cream in general, which personally I am not really keen on a product specifically for just the under eye. I just prefer to formulate a face cream that you can use all over the face and enjoy the benefits. Even though yes, the eye can be a little bit, or not even a little bit, it's very sensitive. Around the eye somewhere, you don't just apply any kind of product without realizing or knowing the efficacy or knowing what that product entails. So when you want to formulate a face cream, beginner friendly actually, what do you have in mind? What do you want this face cream to do? Is this a face cream that you want to use long term? Is this a face cream that you want to stimulate certain functions of your skin? Like example, we talk of the Matrixyl, and we talk of adenine peptides, amino acids, continuous amino acids, and we speak about tyrosinase inhibitors. That one has to do with brightening. We can also talk about exfoliation. What exactly? We can also talk of just a simple basic moisturizer. Basically all it just goes to do there is moisturize and hydrate the skin. What do you want out of a face cream? Like, it is a lot of question that is circulating on the beauty. I think long time ago or so, I once had a question from a subscriber saying that I should recommend one face cream that she can use for a very long time to brighten her skin, clear sunburn. And that's, you're expecting too much. You see, one thing with skincare, depending on the demands of your skin, depending on the product. Personally, like I said, personally, we don't always have to believe on the same things. Personally, I do not go, or I do not so much lay emphasis on combination treatment. Meaning, like when I say combination treatment, is that you can get one product that has virtually everything. And in some cases, they will tell you that the formula has some certain encapsulation method and all that. But to me, I just still stick to single treatment, sort of. Like, there can be combination, but it should be like sort of a friendly combination. Okay, let me give you an example of when I talk of combination that I could actually work with. I could work with a face cream that contains azelaic acid and niacinamide in it. And those are two active, vitamin B3 and then azelaic acid being an organic acid. They are compatible. And in between that mist, you can even add a little bit of alpha-arbutin, that's a tyrosinase inhibitor. Is that also? Niacinamide itself is also a good tyrosinase inhibitor. It's not an acid, it doesn't exfoliate, but azelaic acid, of course, being an acid, has exfoliating properties. So basically, I just added a tyrosinase inhibitor, azelaic acid, and then niacinamide. That's like 3 ingredients. But then I am working based on the fact that I have studied those ingredients. Like, if you're an oldie here, you will know that I am an advocate of study your ingredients. Know what these ingredients entails. Can they work together? Are they compatible? Do they have similar pH? Because that is where their compatibility comes. Then their activity to something very important. You cannot combine AHAs with vitamin B3. There's going to be a cancellation. You understand? There's going to be an inactivity. You should not combine AHAs, BHAs, and retinol, even though some research are saying it doesn't matter. But I am still a little bit skeptical about that. I rather go for different days or different times. Yes, different days preferably, honestly, because I wouldn't advise the use of retinol during the day. Yeah, or tretinoin. Like those vitamin A derivatives are not so sunlight, you know, they are sensitive to light actually, so using them during the day, it's not a good option. During the day, whatever you have inside your face cream should have the ability to protect the skin, meaning let's assume you are formulating a face cream that could be used day and night. Would it be possible? Yes, but the possibility is the fact that it is going to focus more on pigmentation, meaning such face creams will have more of just tyrosinase inhibitors in them. Yes, like they could also have vitamin C as well in them, because vitamin C is a product that could be beneficial both day and night, even though it's more beneficial during the day. Then we're talking of, I hate using this word, I hate it, anti-aging. Basically for me, I just feel aging slowly, like, well, unfortunately that's what the algorithm recognizes, anti-aging, because when you say anti, it means you're going against something. But to be honest with you, when you're formulating a face cream that will cater for that side of skincare, I could be very intentional working with peptides, you understand, and peptides like Matrixyl 3000, which is the most latest, even though I've not used it before, but I've used Matrixyl Synergy 6. Yeah, that's the earlier one, and Matrixyl 3000 is the newer one, which has claims of production and protecting, meaning it's going to help with the production of collagen and also prevent the loss of collagen, which is a whole lot of plumpiness of the skin. Yes, that's for Matrixyl 3000. I've not used that one yet, but the Matrixyl Synergy 6 is the one I've worked with. That one even works for accelerated like fine lines and wrinkles. It works, like, although consistency is key. You know, all of these products, they do work, but consistency is key. It's just like going to the gym. The moment you stop, you will lose the benefit of going to the gym, isn't it? The same thing with the skincare. The moment you stop, whatever it is will not disappear, will not go. You have to be consistent, and that is it. Talking about formulating an anti-aging, in quotes, face cream, you need peptides in them, isn't it? Then we're talking about exfoliating face cream. Yes, can you exfoliate with face creams? Of course, but those face creams, evidently, you know, cannot be used every day, cannot be used daily. Yes, and cannot be used alongside retinol. Yes, most of such face creams are formulated with lactic acid, glycolic acid, which, by the way, I really don't recommend glycolic acid for melanated skin types. For we the melanin skin, because the penetration level is too deep and it could actually stimulate some kind of sensitivity. And if there's anything a melanated skin should run away from, is unnecessary sensitizing the skin. It can easily lead to hyperpigmentation. That is how sensitive our skin could be with trauma sort of. So making a face cream that's for exfoliating purpose is going to be mostly used only at night, obviously. Yes, the same thing with making face creams that contains retinaldehydes, using teretinon. Yeah, all those things are products that should be used only at night. So basically, when you're formulating a face cream that should be used both day and night, what could actually just go in there and sit pretty and be a little bit comfortable is your tyrosinase inhibitors, probably a little bit of antioxidants, maybe a little bit of BHA. But then if there's a BHA like salicylic acid inside your face cream, it now stops you from using it every day. I hope I'm not confusing whoever is listening to me. This is just a short video speaking about face cream, how to formulate face cream, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you and bye.